Ever wondered what Nanobana AI thinks of your photos? Let's transform your pictures into engaging reactions. First, you'll need to access the Nanobana AI platform. Think of it as your creative hub for all things AI-powered. Once you're in, locate the upload feature. This is where you'll introduce your photo to the Nanobana AI. Simply drag and drop or select the image file from your device. Now for the magic, Nanobana AI will begin analyzing your photo. It's looking for emotions, subjects, colors, and the overall mood to understand the visual story. Based on its analysis, Nanobana AI will generate a unique reaction. This could manifest as a witty comment, a descriptive caption, or even a relevant emoji burst. You'll likely have options to fine-tune the type of reaction you want. Do you want something funny to match a candid shot, or something more reflective for a scenic view? And there you have it, your photo, now enhanced with an AI-generated reaction, ready to share or simply admire. Experiment with different photos and see what unexpected creative responses Nanobana AI comes up with.